your friend to the end. Heidi ho.
Did you miss me? It's time to play. We're friends to the end, remember? Now, here's a game I like to play. It's called Hide the Soul.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with the new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So today's video, I decided to do a Chucky look. I recreated this look off a girl off YouTube. I will be putting her information on the screen. If you would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned and keep on. So now I'm just taking this orange matte lipstick and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with it. And I'm just brushing it on my eyebrows. And I'm going to take my angle brush and make it a little neater. Then I'm going to go in using my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. And I'm going to conceal up under my eyebrows to make it look neater. Then I'm going to drag that concealer down onto my lid and blend it out real good. Then I'm going to use that Maybelline press powder and I'm going to set my eyelids. So now I'm going to use the MacBook from the crayon case and I'm going to use that shade right there, and I'm going to use that for my transition shade because I'm creating me a smoky eye. I'm also going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm going to apply that to my lid. So when I apply my lid color to my lid, it will be more pigmented. So now that I got all that blended out, I'm going to go into the Saharan Palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to apply that black shade, which is Chad, and just apply that to my lid. And then once I got it blended out on my lid, I will go in and blend the edges out so it can look flawless. So now I'm just using that same e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm just creating me a wing, and then I'm going to pop some lashes on. I also will be using this stitched up little package thing I got from Walmart. And I'm going to apply that to my face using some liquid latex. And I had to cut it because it was a little bit too long. And I just wanted it to fit like right on the right side of my cheek. And then I'm just going to press it and hold it on my face. And I'm going to apply some more on the sides of it so it's firm and it won't go nowhere. I also will be applying those stitches. It's going to be a tattoo. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me, not concealer, but foundation. And just apply it to my face like I normally do. And then I want to make sure I kind of blend in the edges from the tattoo. And also from that stitch that I applied to my face with the liquid latex. And the reason why I'm applying foundation to that stitch that I applied so it can look like my skin tone. Now I just will be using that e.l.f. concealer to conceal up under my eyes. And that side is going to be my glam side, which is my left side. And I just do like my normal face routine. And now I'm just using my Wet n Wild banana powder to set up under my eyes and around my mouth area. And to contour, I'm just using this another e.l.f. hydrating concealer, which is a little darker. And I'm just going to contour the left side of my face and around my forehead. Now I'm going into the Zulu palette, and I'm just using that brown shade to kind of warm up my contour a little bit. Now I'm just making some lines to create some of the lines on Chucky's face and make more stitches. The girl in the video, she used a red pencil. I didn't have a red one, so I decided to use black. And now I'm just, you know, applying that black liner up under my eyes, and I'm going to smoke it out. And then now I'm going to go into that matte book. And I'm going to use that burgundy shade, and I'm just going to go over top of those lines to smudge it out and make it look more kind of bruised. And I also did that around this stitch part that I had made, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So now I'm just using this red liquid lipstick, and I'm just using this to make it look more like blood and to make it look more realistic. And I'm just creating that bruise, you know, look on Chucky's eye. And I just also used some of that eyeshadow from the matte book. I used that burgundy shade on top of it, and then I went into the Saharan palette and I added some black to kind of make it look more bruised, if that makes sense to you. So now I'm just using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just going to create me some stitches using that. So now I'm just using this dark brown lip liner, and I'm just using this to create me a basic new natural, you know, lip look. So now I'm just going to add some staples to give it that Chucky, you know, feel. And I just, you know, stuck them to my skin. I really didn't have to have no nothing to hold it. And now I'm just adding some zombie blood to give you that Chucky vibe, to make it look, you know, scary like. And I also want you guys to know that I didn't do everything how the girl did it in the video. I just did it, you know, put my own little twist to it.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho. Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho.
Did you miss me?
You thought? You thought?
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.